Hello friends, my name is Rishi Parekh from Residential School. Today I will show my science experiment. Start. Topic name is topic blowing balloon with baking soda and vinegar. Start. Vinegar, baking soda, balloon, air, empty water bottle. First taking vinegar, need of lot of vinegar. See this vinegar, right? And take your balloon, right? 2 tablespoons, right? Baking soda, stuffing inside, right? And take water and vinegar, baking tight for the bottle. Don't keep it them. Balloon with moving car. See this. Show this balloon with moving with making carbon dioxide. Thanks for watching. Bye.